Using the degrees of adjectives in making comparisons. This is our lesson for today. We are going to tackle the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of adjectives. Do you know what adjectives are? Very good. Adjectives are what we call describing words. They tell something about nouns and pronouns. They describe nouns by telling their number, size, shape. Now, let's read the following phrases. Tall tree. The adjective on this phrase is tall because it describes the size of the tree. Second, big. Next, red dress. The adjective here is the word red because it describes the color of the dress. Next, we have short pencil. The adjective. There are 3 degrees of comparison or adjectives. We have the positive degree, the comparative, and the superlative degree. Let's first tackle the positive degree of adjective. When the adjective describes a noun or a pronoun and does not make a comparison, it is in the positive degree. For example, the cake is. When do we say that the adjective is in the comparative form or comparative degree? Remember that an adjective that describes 2 nouns or pronouns and compares them is an adjective in the comparative degree. The word. When do we say that the adjective is in the superlative form or degree? Remember that an adjective that describes 3 or more nouns or pronouns and shows the highest or lowest quality is in the superlative degree. Now let's discuss how do we form the comparison of adjectives. First rule, some one-syllable adjectives form their comparative degree by adding er to the positive and est to the superlative. Number 2. Some 2-syllable adjectives ending in y form their comparative degree by changing y to I, then by adding er to the positive and est to the superlative. Let's. Number 3. Some adjectives ending in e form their comparative degree by dropping e, then adding er to the positive and est to the superlative. Let's have these examples. First, the word. Number 4. Some adjectives with 3 or more syllables and 2-syllable adjectives not ending in y form their comparative degree by using more or less, and their superlative by using most or least. How about for irregular adjectives? Some adjectives have irregular comparison. For example, the word good. Its comparative form is better. Superlative form is. Now, let's have some activities. I want you to give the correct degree of comparisons of adjective. For example, happy. Its comparative form is happier, and its superlative form is happiest. Activity 2. I want you to write the correct degree of comparisons of adjectives. Example, Patty is tall. The correct answer is taller than her brother. Number 2. Alex, the cat, is blank than Bibo, the dog. Activity 3. Use the following adjectives in simple sentences. Example, more colorful. Your drawing is more colorful than mine. I want you to write a simple